Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. So here we are gathered for a group discussion on a topic: importance of recycling. Now we are going to start our topic for group discussion: importance of recycling. So first we will start the word. What is the meaning of recycle? Okay, Kush will tell the meaning of recycle. Kush will initiate this topic: recycling.
So recycling means converting new things from old things instead of throwing them outside.
Converting old things from new things. What have you said? Converting old things to new things. Okay, you're converting old things to new things. So then you can say recycling. Okay, means you have to add some raw material. That's why you can just make a new thing. That is called recycling. Just like if we want to recycle of paper, so just we have to tell Manvi means what product can be recycled.
So there are so many products which can be recycled, like papers, also things made up of cloths also, and there are so many things which is recycled. And if we take an example of plastic, some plastics are not recycled because they made up of they made by using so many harmful chemicals, which is not good for our environment. Like, it is not recycled. Like, if we burnt it, so it produce so many harmful gases. And also if we throw it, so it is also not recycled, so it is not good.
Just we have to tell only the 10 products of recyclable. Means what are the 10 products? Means we can recycle easily. Yes, Raj?
So the 10 products which are recyclable, first is polythene, first is plastic, second is cardboard, and third is glass, and fourth is any wood material, and fifth is it can be uh,
So as you told four, in my opinion, in my opinion, clothes can be clothes.
Christy.
Sir, I think that I can take an example of paper, means things which are made up of paper, just like paper cups and other things.
there are many things recycled, like paper, cardboard, glass, and cloths, etc.
So my next question is that have you recycled any product anytime or anywhere?
Yes, sir. I have recycled a product that is a plastic bottle. I so I just done it's its mid part. I cut. And I use the upper part as a funnel to pour water or milk easily. And the lower part I used just as a mug to water plants, etc.
Yes. Yes, Raj. What key points do you have related to recycling or importance of recycling?
So I have some key points related to importance of recycling. So recycling is important for all the countries and our earth, and also for us, because every garbage or food wastage or other type of wastage material which is produced by the human and other activities or of human are needs needs recycle to reuse, and all the countries do recycle to wastage and food wastage, and also our India also do the most recycling in compared to all the other countries, even if our country is not clean.
My next question for Christy. So, have you ever noticed the sign of recycle at any product?
Yes, sir. I have seen them. Just like I am having an example of a jam. A jam. So it was saying that sign, and it was written that it is a sign, and it means that you can reuse it in other ways.
Just a sign means three arrows. Okay, means they are means in a surrounding on in an 360-degree rotation mode. Okay, so just actually means those products government already allowed, those products who are already means for use for recycle. So means you have to means chasp on that product the sign of recycle. Means it's a green color because it's related to our environment. Means actually if we recycle so many products, so means it can be useful or helpful for our environment. Yes, Harshit.
So yes, sir. I agree with you, and I want to say that recycling is important for our environment, because if we reuse the things, but if we reuse the things, so we can we clean our environment and our surrounding. If our environment and surrounding is clear, so we have fresh air and fresh environment to think, and there is no diseases that are caused by the some environmental issues, like there is no dust particles, and there is no dirty air, and also other things that spreads diseases.
So actually, it means we are talking about this recycle. So Manvi, what key points do you have?
So key points I have, like recycling is nowadays recycling is very important for our environment, because so many things which are used by human, like things made up of plastic which is not recycled, it harms our environment, like it is not be recycled. So it totally we have to ban on that product which is not recycled. We can use, like we use polythene bags, instead of using this we can use we can use paper bags, and also bags made up of cloths, and that.
Recycling reduce the polluted air and water, and it help in environment also.
So the key points I have are that just like the if we don't recycle the things, so it can be a huge loss for our mother earth and for us also, because it can also create a problem of pollution, because we don't use them, so the unusable things are just collected, and it creates a pollution. And I have also studied that government has established a bit type of factories and other platforms and other things, so that it can help us to recycle things. And also it is much important, because just like we can take any example of any glass jar or bottle. First we have used it for the thing it is for, and after that we can make it something just like for organizing something and other things. So it means that it is not getting waste, we are reusing it, and means taking out its whole profits.
So I have also a key point related to importance of recycling. Many countries are building a machine that is recycling the product and giving the money to the customer. Example of this means, if any person take a plastic bottle or any recyclable thing to the machine and give it, so it will give money to the consumer and take it and recycle it.
So now I have a question that what effect will come if we reuse the thing or recycle come.
Yes. Please repeat the question again.
What are the effect after recycling came in our environment? Just like I will tell you in Hindi. Just if we are just if we are recycling means we are doing recycling. So what effect come in our environment? What positive?
Okay. Actually, we will discuss these key points with some other students. So next, I'm inviting Tejal, Aradhya, and Ishika. Yes. So, Kus want to add one more point?
In my points of views conclusion, so I want to say that if our world will recycle, so our next generations will live very happily or easily to with them, means they can survive. But if we will not if we will not recycle now, so our future generations will get harder to survive there. And there is also a quote by Robert Swan that recycle today for a better tomorrow.
Just means you have done. Actually, have you listened? Means whatever your means guys already performed about a topic. Okay. So just you have to continue this topic recycling. Means what are your key points related to recycling? So you have to tell one by one.
So my key points on recycling is that the waste that is not used after one time, so they could be recycled and used in a different manner, such like that the waste like plastic and all is thrown in the water. As we know, 50% of the plastic is recyclable, but we should recycle the 50% of plastic that is recyclable, so that it could be used again and again. As we know that plastic is very harmful for our nature, so in a way we are protecting our nature from plastic also.
So according to me, I have some key points like recycling can save 95% of energy other than using the raw materials, because raw materials are really rare nowadays. We are having limit of raw materials. That's why we should recycle the things so it can save the energy. And recycling can be helpful and friendly for our nature and for our environment, and it can also decrease the deforestation, because if we are reusing the things, so we will not take that much minerals from the forest and trees. And it can also save our minerals and our minerals and our resources.
Yes, my key point is it helpful for environment? Yes, it is very helpful for environment, because if we cannot decompose anything, so it will become disaster one day. And the things that are not decomposed, and just take an example of plastic, only 50% of plastic can decompose.
Yeah, so I want to add my key points about recycling. So I want to say you that recycling is the taking of old materials and bringing them into their new form. As in India, plastic are taken from our houses, and they bring them to industries where they give them a new shape by taking them in a mold which heat and give them a new shape of any chair, table, etc.
My key points are that in all means in every country recycling is most important thing, and in our India it's good, and it's good for animals. And you said that people take plastic and other material which can we can do recycle. So they take and they melt, and after some time they give a new shape, and they give many type of shape like chair and etc.
According to me, in my key points, that recycling is from the 3 Rs. Some of the biodegradable waste is can be recycled, and it is get new from the old products and waste materials or broken products.
So, do you know there is some restrictions of some products means we cannot recycle? Do you know what products can we not recycle?
Like vegetable.
Some petroleum products we cannot be recycled. Actually, some harmful products we cannot recycle, just like acids and all. Yes. Okay. So actually, if we recycle some products, so it will be helpful for us and helpful for our environment also. Actually, means have you ever recycled any product?
So I have recycled plastic, like when there is an empty bottle which is once used, so I just cut off the upper portion of it, and like we can take it as an pen holder, or we can put flowers in it and make it as a home decor, like flower pot and all.
I use vegetables for making them compost and using in plants. So it can be good for our plants, and it can also save the vegetables energy. And I have also means, as Aradhya told about, means reusing as a decoration. And also I have also used, there was a big container of plastic, so I have just decorated that, and I have used in many ways, like some of my some of its part I have used as pan holder, some of its flower pot, and some of its like planting some trees in.
Yes, I made a pen holder with a bottle. Its shape is like slender, and I paint it and design and make design on it, so it become pen holder.
We can recycle so many products by ourselves, and so many companies means they use and they gather some these materials we are not using, some just like electric materials, electronic wastage, and they just put up, and means there are so many factories and all, so they just made their product, means new product. Actually we can use it, but actually new product we can use it, so means we cannot find it. Sometimes it shows by the their names, means there is an a sign of these product are already recyclable, and you can use. Actually so many products are used multiple times, means we can use multiple time recycles so many products, just like if we talk about glass, so we can recycle multiple times glass. So yes.
Like I have get to know that when we recycle glass, so the broken parts of it are called cullets, and which can be useful in many ways, like when we heat them, so sometimes some of them get cracked and all, so there are many ways by we can use, but I don't know how to use it.
So now we will complete or continue means complete this topic by the end of, just you have to put a single benefit of a one benefit of recycling. Okay.
Yeah, now I'm going to tell you about the benefits of recycling. So the benefits of recycling are that you can recycle anything or any object that is going to be waste if you will not use that thing. Such as if you have some broken parts or things, such as a wooden log, etc. Some metal scraps. You can use them to create a shelf and etc.
I want to add a benefit. It is that we can save many animal lives, and we can stop almost 50 to 60% soil pollution and air pollution.
According to me, that I have benefits like if you have broken glass pieces, so you take it for home security also.
Yes, it is helpful for environment, and we can make new things with the help of recycle.
we should recycle. We should continue recycling for making our future generations live easy. Because if we will save the energy and the raw materials and resources, so it can be helpful for our future generations and for ourselves also.
So if we will recycle the things that are not in used anymore, so we can like save most of the resources, so that if we are taking it in use, so might be we are not throwing it outside, so our environment will also be safe.
Our environment will also be safe. Actually, just we have to recycle means just we can directly contact some companies. Nowadays, so many online websites are available. Means you have a raw material, raw products, some useful used materials. So you can give to those companies, and you can recycle your products. Okay. So now we have completed this discussion here, and if you have any a question or suggestions, so you can put in the comment section. Okay, so please do like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Goodbye.